You know what that means. What's good, you guys? It's Jason, about to film some FPV. Let's get it. What's up? We at the park, got a new spot. Checking it out. Looks good. Wide open spaces. Gonna find a hella cool spot though to post up. Yeah. One weekend FPV. Let's go. So pretty. All right, keep going. Almost there. Hi, what's up, you guys? Now we at the spot, ready to send it. Let's go. Plugging in. You know what that means. Oh yeah, baby. Yes, sir. It's a little bit windy. This is just something else, man. Got the GoPro on the drone still. Man, that was some fun flying. Jeez, I can't get enough of this thing. All right, we're gonna keep hiking a little bit. Just found another super peaceful spot right here. So quiet you can't even hear the water. All right, we gotta send it though.
Here we go.
Hit next to my head, dude. Oh my god, that was so close call. Spot number 2, check. All right, back on the main trail again. Got my footing. I was lost for a second. That was just a lot of pond over there. That's it. Nothing else. We're back. Keep it moving. More packs. Sending time.
Round
That was our third pack. Now we got 3 packs to go. All right, you guys, this is getting crazy. I keep trying to go to different spots and there's too many people everywhere. Heard some funny ladies talking about me. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Man, I'm just trying to find some isolation. What's going on? Well, we went on the bike trail for a minute. The park was too populated. Now it's back in the woods. Back in the woods. Here we are at another spot. Got another pack. Gonna send it. That's what I call a good flight. Woo! These woodsy scents are something else, man. I love it. Such a rush. You got all the trees. Woo! Craziness. Luckily, I got that digital camera. I can see everything in HD. Insane. All right, got 2 more packs. Trying to find 2 more perfect spots. Got to get around this puddle. Let's go. It's good, you guys. All right, 2 packs left at the river spot. I got a lot behind me too. It's gonna be hella cool. Let's do it. That's what I'm talking about. Another successful send. Alright. Oh, what's up? Damn. Alright, you guys. I found the last spot. Looks hella cool. It looks like the perfect spot to just send it through like it's a tunnel. I think I'm gonna do it. Sounds like the last clip. Let's go. Find a tree to sit under.
Seagulls.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You came in the first time I get it, but then you came back in again. Probably a cool shot.
Woo! That was the last pack. Hilariously, some dude tried to walk up on me on the end because I was flying over the birds. But man, I think everybody that was looking at that was waiting for them to take off. It was so beautiful. So yeah, he was like, look out, man, don't go in second time. I'm like, ah, whatever. Harassment, whatever. All right, walking back to the car. Let's go. All right, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Used all my packs, got some amazing clips. The birds at the end was wild, right? Thank you for anyone that's still watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, because you know it helps the algorithm. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe, because there's more content coming. All right, see you guys.